Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedie et bienvenue, welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Alors, in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to say rainbow in French. So we're going to learn how to pronounce it and how to write it. Alors, on y va. So, Ananas, oh, look at this. Do you like the rainbow color? Oui. So, rainbow color in French is called arc-en-ciel. Can you repeat that after me? Arc-en-ciel. Bravo. So, if you're describing a feminine subject, such as our subject here is la lettre A, you would say la lettre A est arc-en-ciel. Can you repeat that? La lettre A est arc-en-ciel. Oui, bravo. And if the subject that you're describing is a masculine word, or mot masculin, then you would have no change in the spelling of arc-en-ciel. So this bunch of wax crayons is called le tas de crayons de cire est arc-en-ciel. Can you repeat that? Le tas de crayons de cire est arc-en-ciel. Look at all those beautiful colors, hein? Les belles couleurs dans l'arc-en-ciel. So whether you are describing a feminine or a masculine subject, the spelling of arc-en-ciel will not change. Alors, c'est bien? Oui, not so difficult, right? Right. Alors, merci beaucoup mes amis. À la prochaine.